This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to run a profit and loss report in Wave Accounting. Whether you're a small business owner or just managing your personal finances, knowing how to generate this report can provide valuable insights into your financial health. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, if you're not already logged into your Wave Accounting account, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation sidebar. This is your main hub for accessing different features in Wave. From this sidebar, look for the option labeled Reports. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to a new page where you can access various reports that Wave offers. Once you're on the Reports page, you'll notice several different categories of reports you can run. For today, we're focusing on the Financial Statements section. Under this heading, you'll find the option for Profit and Losses. This is the report we want, so click on Profit and Losses to proceed. Now, you're in the Profit and Loss Report Setup area. Here, you have the opportunity to configure your report parameters, which essentially means you get to customize the report to fit your specific needs. You might be wondering what parameters you should set. Well, typically, you'll want to specify a date range that makes sense for the analysis you're looking to perform. Whether it's monthly, quarterly, or annually, make sure the period you select aligns with the financial insights you need. Additionally, you might have options to filter by different criteria, such as specific accounts or categories. This can be particularly useful if you want to focus on certain aspects of your income or expenses. Take a moment to adjust these settings based on what you're looking to learn from your report. Once you've set your parameters to your liking, it's time to generate the report. There should be a button labeled something like Generate Report or Run Report. Click that, and Wave will work its magic, compiling all the data into a neat profit and loss statement. As you review your freshly generated report, you'll notice it's divided into sections detailing your income, expenses, and net profit or loss. This structure helps you quickly assess the financial performance of your business over the selected time period. Pay close attention to trends and outliers in your data, as these can provide valuable insights for making informed business decisions. If you need to share this report with someone else, like an accountant or business partner, Wave makes it easy to export your report. Look for an Export or Download button, usually located near the top of the report page. You can download it as a PDF or CSV file, whichever format suits your needs best. And there you have it. You've successfully run a profit and loss report in Wave Accounting. With these insights in hand, you're better equipped to understand the financial health of your business and make strategic decisions moving forward. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore Wave's help resources or reach out to their support team.